Welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the double wrap knot braid.
Once you get the hand placements down, it'll be easy and simple to do.
So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. This hair is usually done dry, but because she had just gotten out of the shower and it takes forever to dry her hair, we're going to do it wet. We're going to start by taking a section right here on the back of her head. We're going to split this into 2 equal parts. Hold the right strand with your 3 fingers like this and the pinky goes like that. Then you're going to take this tail of the right strand and go under this left strand, okay? And then you're going to hold it, take that tail and hold it between the fingers and the thumb of your right hand. Then you're going to take this tail right here, the left tail. So you're going to lift this up, take your finger though, bring out your finger, your pointer finger of the right hand, and you're going to go ahead and take this tail over, and your finger is going to go over this tail. Then you're going to take your 2 fingers, go and find that hole right here, okay, and grab this tail right here. Pull right through and slide it up. Okay, this is your first wrapped knot. You're going to add a small section from the right side to this right strand. And the same thing over here on the left side. Going to add a small section from the left side to this left strand. We're going to repeat this step over again. The 3 right fingers go like this, holding the right strand. Then you're going to go ahead and take your left 2 fingers and grab that tail of the right, go under, and then you're going to go over, have your thumb hold this tail. Then you're going to take this left strand, going to go over, get your finger out, grab this tail with that finger, just like this. Find this hole in here, put your 2 fingers in there, and guide your 2 fingers right here, your pointer and your middle finger, and then pull right through. And you're going to go ahead and slide it up. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I'll show you one more time before I go fast. Add a small section to the right strand. And the same thing to the left strand. Add a small section from the left side to the left strand. Okay, and then repeat those steps. Take your 3 fingers to the right strand, holding it like this. Take your fingers, your left fingers, grab the tail, bring it over in between the thumb and the finger, and then you're going to grab the left strand, bring it over, take your right pointer finger out, grab that tail, and then go ahead and put your 2 fingers of the left into the circle and grab this tail. Go ahead and tighten it up, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. I have no more to add, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue as far as I can. I'm going to secure that off. And I'm going to go back and just pull and tug on the sides here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just take this and wrap it. I'm going to secure it off with another elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and just cover that elastic band with hair accessory. Little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and following our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
We love you guys. Till next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless.